Today, it's Try Not to Blow Up the House with Making Rocket Fuel Part 2. Before we begin, I need to say a few things. First of all, in the last video, it was not the silver hydroxide we needed the calcium nitrate, which is the part which went down in the test tube. Second of all, we did not do the previous experiment in the right proportions. You have to do it one more time, sadly. We already did it, and you can tell by the mess. Last thing, actually, yeah, that's all the things. Okay, so I've already pre-measured the ingredients. It's 2.6 grams of copper sulfate. And you also need the solution from last experiment. So we'll just get that. So all you need to do is mix them.
Are you gonna mix them?
Yeah, I think mixing will help.
Okay. Let me get a closer look.
I don't think there's enough water.
Don't think so?
I don't think so. Though the precipitate clearly has formed. We need more water.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't think you'll need more water.
But like, it's gonna be
good.
Yeah, but not all the copper sulfate has dissolved. So then
things take a long time to dissolve, bro.
Kevin, the precipitate. See, we'll need the precipitate, and if some extra copper sulfate gets in, it'll be highly contaminated. So we need more water. Could you go get some distilled water?
You think we need more?
Yeah.
Okay, but I can't do much on the video.
Okay.
The camera.
Okay, so a few things to say again. So here's a fun fact. I'm pretty sure our rocket's flame color will be green because our oxidizer is actually copper nitrate, which is part of the solution here, hopefully. And copper nitrate is a copper salt, so when it burns, it will make a green flame, so that's really cool. Also, there's a reason I'm using copper nitrate instead of the calcium nitrate, which we already got from last experiment.
Okay, I got the water.
Okay, so I have a theory, and it's like this. So I know that nitrates break into three things: a metal oxide, nitrogen, and oxygen.
Don't pour too much. Be careful. I think that's enough.
Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, so yeah, it decomposes into those things. And for calcium nitrate, calcium is like a very strong cation. So it'll like the nitrate a bit more than the oxide. So it'll take a lot of energy to convert to oxide. But copper, it doesn't mind being an oxide that much. So it'll take less energy, which means more energy will go into the actual propellant, which means it should have a better impulse. Are we still sure this is enough?
Yeah, I think so.
See, I'm not sure if are we sure calcium nitrate precipitates? This is taking a long time. Maybe we should cool it down.
This is how long regular dissolvents take. And plus, how do you know it isn't dissolved?
Because I checked the calcium sulfate. It's insoluble in water, apparently. I don't see any precipitating. Unless... I put too much soap. Okay,
soap? Why is there soap in it?
Okay, the thing is, unless...
You never told anybody about soap in this.
There was no soap. I was just washing the beaker, and soap got in.
Oh.
Okay, so it doesn't seem to be precipitating, but we don't know that yet. So let's check with the test tube to see if it works. This is an already used piece of filter paper. I should place it.
So you need to filter that out? Is that the next step?
Yeah, filter.
Well, it's going to take a long time, right?
The solution should be colored. Ooh, I think it's colored right. Because I'm pretty sure copper nitrate is green. So this does look a bit green. And there still might be a bit of copper sulfate left in it. I'm not too worried about that part because I know there will be some, and it's not too bad. Copper sulfate, I think, is an oxidizer, though it's not a very good one. So it shouldn't be that bad. And I know there would already be some because the yield of the calcium nitrate can't be too good. Maybe it could be 90%. I don't know much about yields. Oh yeah, today's sponsor is nobody. back to the video. This is gonna take a while, so we'll be right back. Just a second. Okay, so we've just put this. So we just filtered it, and we put the stuff in the test tube into this bigger container because it didn't fit in the test tube. Now here's a really cool thing. The precipitate came in the funnel, but it also came down here and it crystallized a bit. See if you can see. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So yeah, we have this, so we just need to wait for this to dry.
That's the next thing.
Yeah, that's the next step. Next episode, so right now we're actually done with the oxidizer, so next episode we'll be making the fuel. And
Screen.
screen cut off.